we are going to see hole command. Okay. Now you will notice that too many options are there in hole command. That's why I have listed it over here. I will send you this file on the group. One by one, we will cover all these topics. Okay. So till here, till point number 5 is how do we place a hole? There are different methods in Creo to place a hole. And then from 6, 7, 8 and 9, it is the shape of our hole. Okay, so first of all, we will see different types of placements for the hole. Okay, so let us start Creo. I will share you the screen. Can everybody see Creo screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now let's go for MMNS part solid. Sketch on this plane, sketch, and I'm creating a simple rectangle. Okay, might be a square. Fine. Equal, this thing and this thing is equal. Okay, equal length is already there. It's already there, so no need of giving it. This I need it as 400. Okay, change it into standard orientation, extrusion, and I am giving a extrusion of 100. Now what I want to do is I want to place a hole in this corner. Okay, the distance is like 75 from here and 90 from here. Okay, from this edge it is 90 and from this edge it is 75. So let's see how we place a hole. This type of hole we call it as linear placement. It is on a plane, linear placement. Fine. So let's check it. I am giving hole command. This is the dashboard for your hole command. From here you can set the diameter of it, and from here you can set the length of our hole. And now after giving hole command, you can click on the surface where you would like to have that hole. For example, I want to have hole on this surface, so I am just clicking here. Okay, after clicking here you will notice that the hole has come. The hole is of diameter, let's say 25. Enter. Okay, so from here I can change the diameter of our hole. Fine. Then from here I can change the height of our hole. Let's say I need a through and through hole. So from here I can go for through and through hole. It can be like a symmetrical hole, then it can be till a surface, वगैरह वगैरह. Now I want it through all the entire surface. So I am saying here I want it through the entire surface, intersecting with all the surface. Okay, clear till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. And now
Yes.
my hole is offsetted from this edge and this edge. So what I will do, I have these handles with me. I will take this handle and I will tell him that it is offsetted from this edge. I will just drag this handle and keep it on this plane or this edge. Then I will drag this handle, I will keep it on this edge. So now from this edge, it is offsetted by this much. From this edge, it is offsetted by this much. I can come over here, double click, and I can type out the value. For example, this should be 75. Double click here. This should be 75. Understood? Simple?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You can come in placement, and from here also you can change it. Okay, instead of 75 I need it 150. Okay, simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I want to change the reference. Like I don't want this reference now, the reference should be from this edge. So what do? Is I will come here, right click, and I will click on remove. So that reference is removed. This handle is free. I will take this handle and I will put it on another edge, and I will correct my what you say, the model. From here it's 300. Fine. So this is covered, right? This is done. Now in CATIA also we had like whether I need a perpendicular hole or whether I need aligned with a specific axis. That thing is over here, hole orientation. I can change my hole orientation. For example, I am clicking here on this collector and I am clicking on this plane. You will notice that now my hole is something like this with respect to this plane. It's perpendicular. Okay. So this is the collector for it. Okay. I can click on this plane. It is made perpendicular to that plane. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so the hole can be aligned with respect to specific axis. If I draw an axis from this point to this point, then I can align it with respect to that axis. I don't want to align it. It needs to be perpendicular with respect to this face. I will right click and I will click on remove now. So now my hole is perpendicular to the surface which I want. Fine, simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will notice that flip option is also there, but presently it will not work because my hole can't go up presently. So this flip option presently will not work. When it will work, if this specific plane was in middle and I would have selected that plane for drilling the hole. I will show you that. Till here everything is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let me cancel this. I will come in extrude. I will click on edit definition and I will just change this to symmetry. So what will happen now? 50 will go up, 50 will come down. I have my middle plane. Now while preparing the hole, what I am doing is I am selecting the middle plane. Okay. I clicked on the middle plane for creating the hole. So you will notice that now my hole is starting from the middle plane. It's coming down. If I come in placement, I can flip it. I can flip it up. I can flip it down. That is where flip is going to come in picture. The remaining things will be same, like this angle I want it from this edge or this surface, and this angle I want it from this surface. And now I will just edit the parameters, like this offset is 163. Let me push it a bit more, like 250. Okay, or let's say 150. And then at this location it's 2.87. Let me push it by 75. Okay, it's gone over there. Let me push it by minus 75. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you will see that the hole is lying on this plane. It started from this plane and it's coming up. I can flip it so that it will come down. Fine. There is one more thing, guys, over here. There is one more thing. Now I will show it in hidden line to you. Can you notice that what is happening? Or else wireframe, can you notice this? What is happening? Visualize हो रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now I will teach you something new. Just concentrate here. Now presently the hole is of 143, and how much is this extrusion we had? I think that was of 100, right? This extrusion was of 100. Now let's say this specific hole is 50 mm. Okay, it's just 50 mm. So is this hole covering the entire object? No, it's not covering the entire object, right? Getting it, guys? No. It is covering. Let me make it of 40. Is it covering the entire object now? Now it is not
No.
covering the entire object. A 10 mm gap is kept below, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, just check this. Just check this. What we have made till now, till now. Okay. See here, the hole is not seen at all. Why? Because it is on the middle plane and it's coming down by 10 mm. Sorry, 40 mm. So a wall has been made as 10 mm. Getting it? What I want to say, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now I am coming in whole. I am clicking on edit definition, and after coming in edit definition, I am coming in shape of the hole. You will notice that presently it is a blind hole of 40 mm, and the other side means what? The opposite side, upper wala side, is none. I can change this other side to let's say to next. Got it? So the hole started from middle, it came up and intersected the top surface, and below it is of 40 mm. So can you tell me what is the height of our hole? How much is the height of our hole?
90.
90, sir.
Very good, very good. You understood. Matlab, you understood. Right. See here. Okay. Simple. So this right. This control is something new in Creo. This control we didn't had in CATIA. That a hole can be in middle, and I can set this distance as well as I can set this distance, and whatever things are there in extrude are supported in sides. Okay, in setting the heights. Fine, clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Now let me delete this hole. Now this linear placement will also be used for curved guys. Curved guys matlab kaun se? Let me sketch on top of this. Like I have a circle now with me. The diameter of circle is 214 हो गया है, उसको 225 कर देते हैं. I click on OK. I change this to standard orientation. Then I click on extrude. The extrusion of this much. I click on OK. Fine. This guy, this flat guy, will be also used as a plane, linear placement. Got it? For example, hole. I click on this surface. Now I can constrain it with respect to this plane. This is a linear thing, and with respect to this plane, again this is a linear thing. I can tell him that this should be 0, and from the center it should be offsetted by 65 or 70, and the diameter hole is 50. Got it, guys? So in the top view it is something like this. It is lying on this quadrant point. From the center the distance is 70, and this reference we gave it as 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
right. So linear placement का मतलब ये भी हो जाएगा. It can also be like this. Fine. Now we will shift to next placement. You understood everything about linear placement, right? Nothing has to be repeated.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good.
No, sir.
Good. Now radial placement. We have radial placement. That is for curved guys. If I want to drill a hole on this surface, the round surface, hole command, I will click on the round surface. The round surface पे hole आ गया है. Now how do I constrain it? I constrain it in this way. Like I take this handle and I tell this handle from the top or from the bottom face how it is, how the hole is. Like for example, from the top face, my hole is at a distance of 75 mm or at a distance of 90 mm. Understood? See here, this distance from top to bottom. Fine. It's of 150 mm. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
this is one placement you have done. You have told him either from top face or the bottom face, and how you will get it from the drawing. Now one more you can say reference is remaining. So I will take this handle and I can select either this plane or I can select this plane. Okay, any plane I can select. For example, now it has to be on the quadrant. So I am selecting this plane and now everything has been done. Understood? Here, if I come in placement, you will see that he has got a radial placement. Okay, he has got a radial placement. This is called as a radial placement, where I am saying now this angle is 0 since I need it exactly on the quadrant. So I am saying angle is 0. 150 ज़्यादा हो गया है. Let us make it 75. So from the top it is 75 mm down, and angle 0 का मतलब क्या है? With respect to this plane the angle is 0. I can tell him the angle is 90. That is, with respect to this plane, the angle is 90. Getting it? See it over here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. I can change the orientation. Presently not needed. I can come in shape, side 1, side 2. And from here, I can set the height of it. Let it go through and through. You will notice that a through and through hole has been drilled. Fine. Getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So only two references. One reference was given as this face. You can give the bottom face also. From this face, a linear distance was given, and from this face or this plane, the angular you can say distance was given. Fine, guys. Did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am skipping this. I am coming to coaxial placement. It's very simple, guys, and you will love it. See it. I want a hole exactly concentric to this guy. A hole exactly concentric to this cylinder. So how do I do it? Simple. Hole command. I will click on this axis. I will require an axis. Okay. After clicking on this axis, a hole has came and first reference is given. After giving the first reference, I am holding down control button on the keyboard. I am holding down control button on the keyboard and I am selecting on this top surface. Okay. Simple. This is called as coaxial hole. This guy is called as coaxial hole. Fine. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Good. Good. It's a very simple type of hole. Fine. Coaxial hole. Where what we do is, let me make a undo. Where what we do is we give hole command, we click on the axis, we hold down control, and then we tell him the surface, whether it should start from this surface or it should start from this surface. So let it start from this surface. So holding down control button on the keyboard, I click on this surface, a hole appears. And then from here, I will set the modifier. If it is a blind, I will set the size height of it. From here I will set the diameter of it. These things, dashboard wale things, can be done very well from here also. Okay, I can directly type it from here, like I need it 175, height I need it as 125. Okay, and I click on OK. Fine. Done, guys.
yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there's one more placement which we call it as diametrical placement. Let me explain you that diametrical placement. Let's say I have a hole on this surface which is offsetted from this edge and it's offsetted from this edge, and then I come in placement. This placement is of 75, this placement is of 75, and now I need to change this guy to 75. No, not 75, this is height through and through, and this should be 75. So everything 75 ताकि अपने को याद रहे. Okay, now whole command. I click on this surface. I am coming in placement, and from linear I am changing it into radial placement. And in the radial placement, what I am doing is I am taking this handle, I am clicking on this surface or this edge. From this edge, it is offsetted by, has he taken it? No, he hasn't taken it. Okay, he has, okay, I clicked on the wrong surface. Let me correct it. I am removing this. Okay, I am taking this handle and I am clicking on this axis. Okay, I am clicking on this axis. Now you will notice that a radial distance has been taken from this axis. From this axis to this axis, the radial distance I want is of 200. And then from here, it should be apart, or the reference should be taken from this edge, and I can tell him what is the angle. Okay, I am saying angle is 0 degrees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
instead of this radial distance, I can have, from here I am changing to diametrical distance. See this, diametrical distance. Got it? So a virtual center line has been created. A virtual center line has been created. One virtual object has been created over here, and you get a diametrical dimension. Get it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This thing is completely done virtually. This thing is completely done virtually. Okay. See, there is one more thing in CATIA. I will just show you. I need to delete this. Okay, देखते हैं. I am creating this datum wala center line. I am creating one profile. Okay, I created this profile, something like this. Okay, now I want to give this virtual angle, this complete virtual angle. Okay, इसका जो mirror है वो यहाँ पर है, but without mirroring I want to give this complete angle. So what I do is dimension, this guy, this guy, this guy, and I click here. Got it? So this virtual thing has been created. Got it, guys? जैसा हम diameter के लिए कर रहे थे
Yes,
ना,
sir.
कि like this guy, and this guy, then here, this was for diameter. ये ऐसा ही virtually आप angle के लिए भी कर सकते हो. So one virtual object has been made over here. तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर हाय हाँ है. So वैसे ही यार, तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर you will notice that a virtual object had been made over there, and it gave me a diametrical dimension. Fine, simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then is very simple. On point. If I create a point, and point का मतलब क्या है? तो datum point. I need to have a datum point. Let's say I am creating a point with help of field command, because field is going to randomly create a point anywhere wherever I click. So this point has been prepared. Can you see that point here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I want a hole on that location. So hole command, and I click on that point, holding down control, I click on the surface, and a hole has been created on that point. always I need to give two two references. So first reference is what? The point. The second reference is what? Holding down control button, the surface. And now in placement you will see that it is on point. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. So we covered the placements of the hole. Okay. Tomorrow we will cover the remaining part, the shape part. Okay, different types of shapes you can control or you can have for your hole. Because only 7 minutes are remaining, it should not be a rush kind of lecture. Huh? Chalega?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So today what